How to choose a profitable niche and dominate it. When it comes to create your online business, the best way to ensure your success is to find a niche market and then claim the throne in that niche. There are many sites that are available to help you build your computer empire, but cracking online wealthy code is definitely at the top of the pack. The internet is the best way to learn about finding and claiming your place in the niche marketing join through and given the two guys to the negative way to throw it the vast conglomerate website support noise and keep your focus on your goal of achieving success through in the internet. John Throw is well known among the internet circle. He has launched a successful career over the internet. Kevin Nugent has been working with the mentoring of John to learn and establish his first niche business. With the help of his mentor, Kevin has been able to make over $200,000 his first year internet business. Anyone can create a launch a successful internet niche business. It just takes some time, some planning, some understanding, and plenty of effort. Success in any market industry is not necessarily easy, but with the help of Kevin and John, the process is made simple. A report is designed to help you stable your niche by determining the best path of your business. You will learn to recognize trends, to create trend to your one personality and follow your passion. If you don't enjoy what you are doing, then you will always struggle with success. With the help and suggestion you will find throughout his report, you will begin to develop an expertise in the internet niche of your choice. Knowledge is truly is power. The more you know about your niche, the more you understand that niche and you're stronger. You become stable as the leading authority, the quicker subscriber will come to you. You will also receive industry tips and secrets to help you quickly build your internet niche and to dominate that market. Learning how to gain subscribers and keep them is the best way to push yourself to the success you want and need with an internet business. There is no magic bullet when it comes to success on the internet, but this report comes as choose as anything to help you become the niche kingpin that you have been hoping to be. Following this guideline will help you create a niche market with high subscriber and high income. Like anything life worth having fun, finding a profitable niche and then dominating that niche will take time and effort. Success can come to anyone that is willing to put in what it takes. Begin with what you know. When you set out to start your internet business, the first thing that you should think about is what you already know. Make a list of your hobbies, interest in education, and work experience. Don't edit your list at this point. Not everything that you can possibly think that you are you do or enjoy. Use this time to think outside the box. Remember classes from college, high school, and continuing education where you received information that might be helpful to other people. Keep in mind the books and magazines that you read and the information you have generated for them. Whatever knowledge you have rumbling around in your brain, this is the time to put it down on paper as a strong point. Go through a regular week in your life. What do you do in your daily life that other people might find beneficial? Are you able to homeschool children of different age? Do you feed a larger family on the tent budget or do you have a chore system that keep your house clean and functioning no matter how many activities could the calendar. There is plenty of information that you have right now that would help you other people and that may people would be willing to pay to learn. The key is to get a possibility laid out in front of you, then to being to build a plan around the information that will help you create opportunity for wealthy to flow your direction. Next, you will want to expand your list even further by asking friends and family about what they feel are your strong point. Get the people that you the best make separate list about area where that think you seen or have a great deal knowledge. Make sure they understanding that only right answer to this project or lost of answer. Take this list you have made and you have asked other to make and combine them. Now use that list to create categorize by talking things that you go together or could go together and putting them in groups. It will probably be best if you start this process from on a new piece of paper. If swing, choking and needlework are on your list, then make a category of craft. If banking, organizing, and cleaning are on your list, then create a category of home. It is okay for an item from list to cross over into more than one category. It is also okay to end up with as many categories as you have had item on your list. This is a statically a brainstorming season to help you develop a direction for your online enterprise. The more that you have to work with, the better off you will be in, in the long run. After all is said one done, you will have several possibilities for launching your internet needs. The next step is to decide which are the clo- closest to the heart and bring your most joy. You will work harder at the things where you have the most passion. So make sure that you choose a niche category that you will enjoy working with day in day out for month after month. Choose your passion. Most everyone is good at something that they don't really enjoy doing. They have a talent or gift, but they just don't have the heart. Although it might be possible to find moderate success in area that you are simply good or talented, you will find a much more success in those areas where you have a deep-seated passion. 1. What do you do if money was not a object? If you win the lottery tomorrow or you came into the unexpected inheritance, how you spend your time? If you would still go to work every day because you enjoy it, then you probably have passion for your chosen career. If you would spend all your time working in your garden, then your passion line in your plants. Then think that you would do whether you could make money or not are things that you have a most of passion toward. 2. What someone else pay you to do what you love. You might be surprised to find that there are people in the world who are head to the things that you love the most. You're never more willing to pay good money to have bring over niche dinner each night or have into the in kitchen when they come home. Your green thumb might translate into green bag if you take some of your plants to the flea market or fair and sell them to either buyer, or you might could do some digging in someone else's yard for few extra dollars. 3. Can you turn the knowledge you have gained from your passion into a career? This goes back to the same principle that you discovered in. Number 2, just because it's something you know doesn't means everyone else get it. You can take your knowledge and love for number and balance other people financing for them. You can take your knock for saving a few dollars at the grocery store and teach others to do the same or do it for them. Your knowledge and experience in a area of life may be the perfect way for you create a living. Finding your passion is easy as one, two, three. You just need to ask yourself a few questions. Review the list of strong points and categories that you have generated and see where your heart beat the strongest. Once you find your passion or passion, then you are just a few steps away from creating your online niche and become a dominating force in that particular niche. Keep in mind that you don't have to be formal educated in area in your order to be successful in that area. What count the most is your knowledge, experience, and your passion. You will soon have some step that will help you stabilize yourself as an expert in the categories you choose to purchase. Before you jump into fur, you need to test the water bit and see which direction you need to be heading. Research the market. It is important to know what you're getting into before you jump into deep. Will only take a little bit of time and effort to determine if the category that you are passionate about a strong candidate for niche development. 1. Do you keyword search? A first make a list of all words that you think are associated with the niche you are most interested in pursuing. B. Include common phrases that would be used when talking about the niche. C. Use one of the free sites available to see how relevant the keyword and perhaps or according to searching that or other people are doing. D. With the list of most relevant keyword, you will be able to create the best name for your website and the best description or drawing and audience. 2. Just Google it or use the search engine of your choice. You need to get a free feel or how many people, company and website you will be com- competing against when you do launching your internet niche. Do a search for a couple of keywords and for us along the little that you have settled on. 3. Check the domain registration site to see if the little you want to is available. There are several different options on the internet for just the purpose. Most people have their favorite, but search the pros and cons of each before you make your decision. Once you find a registration site, you will need to check your name. If it if it is available, then you might want to consider purchasing the domain name right. B. If it is not available, then some of the site will offer you alternative suggestions that might pique your internet. Other BC will to go back to the keyword searching and start over until you find a name that is available. Finding the best keyword will help you better understand the market. You will begin to understand what people are searching for and how to meet their needs. Once you have found the top first for your niche and discovering the best possible name of your new internet creation, it is time to scout the comp- more completed. Know the competition. It can be invaluable to you to take some time to visit the top website in the niche that you want to enter. If you want to get to top, you should emulate this the ones that you're already in that person. You do not want to copy what they are doing. Just learn for their experience. One, what does the site look like? Notice the color of background and the text. You will likely notice that the top website in your desired niche to not look like the rest of niches. A. Take note of the text, style, color, and size. B. See how thin highlights are changing color when the curious. Move over them. Consider the graphic or picture or lack of them. B. Be especially aware of any advertisement, the number, size, and the placement. E. Notice the link that might be on site. Sometimes there can be valuable research source as well. 2. Comment on the website or register with the service so that you can get update about the site, but also you can being to build your rapport with other people in the niche that you are interested in pursuing. 3. If you are feel confident and comfortable, you might consider emailing the site owner or write directly. Let them know your business, that you're looking to launching into the niche, and you might be surprised to discover that successful people are not effort other people in the market. Owner might even be willing to take your under his or her being to help you along the way. Learning to competition is valuable tool in any industry. It can be especially valuable when you being working on developing your internet niche and ultimately becoming a dominating factor in that niche. By spending a little time looking at websites that have to top spot in niche that you are interested in purchasing, you will be able to develop the most effective website for yourself. You may also be able to work with niche leader that may be willing to mentor you and your guide into the competitive field. Use the information you have discovered and the connection that you have made to help you build and develop in the ultimate niche website. Building a better website. It can be easy enough to just slap the website together and call it a day. But most industry experts will tell you that your right website can make all the difference. In order to make money for your niche, you have to be able to bring people to your website. You do this by creating information, inserting keyword, and utilizing all the tool of internet. 1. Keep it simple still. That mantra holder to arrange almost everything you will ever do, but is particularly true for the internet. Making website graphic heavy, widget, overwhelming, or just plain busy not only distract from the information that you're trying to sell but could make it difficult or impossible for some people to load. Remember, the number one factor is to get more people to visit. Losing just one potential subscriber or buyer could mean losing much more than that one sale. 2. Find a host to get your website up and running. You may have some local company that will work with you on developing and establishing your site. You may just prefer to work with company that you purchase the domain name from early. Be sure that whoever were choose will be available to assist you of the into problem, because odds are that you will run into some problem along the way. 3. Learn some basic Legon. If you know nothing about HTML, doesn't hurt to take a quick suppose get to the basic down. You don't have to build your website from scratch, but it will help you understanding the language if you want to tweak or change your site once it is up and running. 4. Use the search engine tool completed. You will need to insert your keyword use materialize in site description and anywhere else it might be relevant. You will also want to submit your site to the search engine. 5. Give them what they want. Once you get the site up and running and have to get to look of it, you need to be posting information. A blog is a great way to post a regular stream of information. Be sure that what you post is quality information that will bring people to your site and encouraging them to stay around. 6. Protect your website. If you don't know how to load program to protect your website from spammer, then be sure to find someone who does. Some hosting company will do this kind of project for you. If you build it, they will come, but if you want to a real name to head to your site, you will have to find a way to promote your site and draw and visit. There are a number of ways that you can increase your visitor numbers, but content will always be king. Without good content, the people may come, but they they will not be sticking around for very long, particularly in a niche with heavy or strong competition elsewhere. Building your readership. Getting quality content is a great start to building your readership is increasing the number of visitors to your site. There are almost an unlimited number of ways to engage the visitors that your site land. You are really only limited by your imagination and maybe your time. 1. Other websites sign up to post on forms related to your needs or in your needs. Include your website is your signature when you post. This can usually be done when you are in the process of registration. Visit regular and always make posts that you are helpful and relevant. 2. Participate in the blog carnival. If you have the blog in your site, you can find this by doing the search for blog carnival. Submit some of your top posts for consideration. Their site will post you link on their site and you will increase your visitor and also being building your backlink. 3. Post some of article on the free article site. Link is in article and other similar website. Be sure to include a link to your website in the author's blogs. You will again draw more visitors but also have a chance to build more backlinks. For use your emails, put your website link in the signature portion of your email every time you send an email. Whether you compose if from scratch or just replay to an existing one, you will pass along a link to your website. You might be surprised at how many people visit that get you link that way, and even more surprised at how many pass that link on to friend and co-worker. 5. Use word of mouth or word of internet to let people know about your website. Send a release to all of these people in your email list telling about the website and all of the Amazon future that is offer. 6. Post regularly. People like consistency in their lives and their interpretation. The more regular you are, the more likely you will be to build your loyal relationship. It is also good idea to post fairly often several times a day. To become the leader in any niche market, you have to have a customer building. Your visitor number can take a much time or little time or you will willing to invest. The more option you try and the more often the them better and quicker your result are likely to be. Reaching the top of your niche can also come easier if you stabilize your self-expert in the field. You don't have to have a formalized education, life and experience is just a valuable. Establish yourself as an expert. When you're looking for information about a product, a service, or just an aspect of life, then they prefer of listening to someone who know the most about that subject or niche. You will have to promote yourself in a number of ways in order to become the dominating factor and a leader in your niche. Remember that it is the expert in different fields that will ultimately become the people most likely to sell book, product, or just a subscription to their site. It is not necessarily easy to establish yourself as an expert in any field. It, it does help you have an educational background, preferable with a degree to show off in the subject or niche area. But education is not everything. It is still possible to establish yourself as an expert if you are willing to put in the time and effort required. 1. Get it with the in covered crowd in the need to know top people in your niche and you need to be consistently aware of the way putting often their one website reference their material comment on their site or even write post and article that are inspired by the things that they are writing. Just make sure everything you publish is your one word. 2. Become a guest blogger, just like the print magazine. Contact with website owner of some of blogs in your niche and offer to write a blog or even a series of blogs for no pay. Just ask that author box including so readers can find more of material at your site. 3. Get your name out of the name of your website. You can do that by posting quality article on all of the free article site. Include a link to your website in the author box, also including some information about what make you the best person to write about the subject. 4. Regular visitor forms and other group that you top in your niche. Post equality response to questions and even create article based around the questions that you can then refer to the reader. 5. Create an about page that including all of your accomplishment in the niche, include work have been done in field, whether or not you have been paid, and material you may have writing and any other page permanent information about the skill, education, and ability. 6. Keep learning and growing and presenting new information every day. The more know, the easier it is to become an expert in your field. Being an expert in any field can make it easy to be successful in that field. There are still more way to dominate niche you have chosen even if you have not reached expert status just yet, and your success will help you for you to expert status even quicker. Give your website more substance. Once you have established your website and have managing to build a regular increasing subscription number or and visitor numbers, it is time to take your website to the next level. Create a forms for new or established visitors to discuss issues surrounding your needs. 1. Start by connecting with your host and getting to the company or person to help you figure out how to work the forms. This is another good reason to have a strong working relationship with that have every company you choose to host your website. 2. Gather up a few friends and get them to help you get forms on the road. Ask them to post questions and read response that related to the needs. 3. Make the membership for this basic section of the forms free as encouraging your friends and family to spread the form site around. Put together a service area again with the help of your host. One offer limited consistently, cons- maybe through a charge system or premium member or your website. Consultation. One offer limited consultation, maybe through a chart system for premium member of your website. 2. Sell report critics service of a discounted price to premium members and make the price of non-members high enough that become a members is well worth it. 3. Create plan or program specific for the individual. Create a regular newsletter to be emailed to the subscriber. 1. Invite members to submit their one tip of suggestions for the newsletter. 2. Offer special offer or idea that are not available on the regular website. So subscriber feel like they are getting that little extra of your time and effort. 3. Make the newsletter the place where you announce special content and the other events. Climbing to the top of any niche will take time and effort. Making your website the best and the one the most information around is a great way to find the top. You will have to continue to expand your subscriber and your teaching technique if you want to continue to remain on top. Use ebook to build your membership. People like getting things for free or to at least get a great deal on whatever it that is being offered. You can offer free ebook that give much desired information about your niche to people who subscribe to your site as a way to generate more names of your email list or you or sell ebook on your website as a way to generate more income for your bank account. What is an ebook? An ebook is a report or short book that is written specifically for internet. It will often including hyperlink to useful website or to section of the ebook. The material can be copyrighted and considered original work of the author. The author can offer the ebook for free to download or can charge free for the ebook. Step 1 to your ebook. If you are going to create an ebook, then you will have to start writing. Write words and ideas that you're interesting alive. If you are bored, then it is likely that your reader will be bored as well. Be sure to include step and bullet that can be particular put in place. Step 2. Lay it out. Keep your layout as simple as possible. Remember that you creating it to be read on a screen or a computer. Make your page as wide as possible. Make your margins smaller and use a format that can be easily read by the variety of browser. Most experts recommend that you have saved the field to PDF. Step 3 is all in the words. Write information that you know have experienced yourself, including tips, hint that help you get to where you in your needs. Use information that satisfy a need or sometime a want. Use on on it to bring your idea to fill. Be sure that you get all of your fact and figures straight. Take some time to research the information and get the most up to date information that is available. Step 4 is about protection. Many write worry about their work being stolen under normal conditions. Posting your hard work onto the internet may seem insane. The truth is that people they still work and use it inside with co- compensation even backlink to author but the gain for out being in the risk. Copyright as are established by simply posting your work. If you line in the United States in Europe, if you want to take it to the next level, then you can state on your ebook that the work is copyright and cannot be reproduced with your express and writing consent. Step 5 is to ask for the sale. No matter what field or niche you are in, and no matter what you are selling, it is likely that you will never get a close if you don't ask for the sale. Have a way to ask your visitor to purchase your ebook or to receive it for free. Writing ebook can be great way to supplement your income, increasing your subscriber and being to increase your place as an expert in your choose niche. How you lay out your ebook and how you distribute it may change with each ones that you produce. It is a certain material direction ebook he will help you get where you are going just a little faster. There are other options other than ebook that are similar in function and the creation. You you can make workbook study guide and create online course or even record audio lesson for your visitors. The more idea you come up with and the more option you offer your visitors, the greater the re- response is going to be. Link building increase niche domination. Many of ranking site want to know that your site is stable and legitimate. One of the way to determine is the way the number of black backlink you have. It can take a little time and even some effort, but developing link is really quite simple. Use the social media site and other connections. There are a number of sites that list content and link to the content. Take full. Use a place like Diggy, Reddit, and other similar sites that are rated by readers. Dig and Reddit are mostly about content. Squad is the perfect place to build your reputation as an industry expert. The key to getting people attention on article site is the headline, but don't forget the quality content either. Each social site has little bit difference. The different make your headline site specific. If you write a strong headline, people will be driving for this social site to your niche site. Social media prefer that someone other than you submit your article. Team up with a friend to get the most out of a social media to increase your links. Some sites are more about information than socialization. Wikipedia can be a good place to build your page about your company. If you have to not yet establish yourself in the industry, then this may not be possible yet. As an alternative, you should look through the site and see if you can add your information to any of other pages that are focused around your niche. Be sure that your RSS feed is easy to sign up, receive, and also easy to find on your website. Link to other blogs. Everyone like to be noticed. Find someone other site in your niche or in related niche and link to information or article that are posted there. Be sure that links is relevant to the site and their materials. Just linking for thinking sake will not accomplish very much. Networking is also for internet. It is important to make connection with in the internet industry and particularly in the niche that you are developing. Visit forms site and other website that offer you niche to connect with the people on a personal level. It is not just what you know, but how you know can you help. Ask for the link. Find some of top site you niche build your reiterate with the site down is ask for link to your site. It is the best if you have already linked it to that site at least once before you ask for link back to your site. Be sure to give them the URL where their link is located on your site. You will want to get to target to the website with the highest ranking on your niche but also in the related niche that do not directly compete with you. Keep in mind that you will not be only targeting them because everyone want to benefit from other people's hard work. Focus on the site that you truly enjoy. Internet eti- etiquette and they can be make second request if the site owner does not respond to your site request but after that you should drop the matter and move on. Thank you note are a must if you do receive the reciprocal link and connecting continue a visit site don't just push them the last week leftover. Give it way. Fabius, contest, tools can all be great way to increase your links. Building link is really found in the quality content, but it is help to know a few tricks to get the number to raise a little faster and easy. Developing an online business is it not really that difficult? Link any market or industry, you just have to know what you want to do, then find the best way to accomplish that task. Niche market can be the greatest in investing in the internet industry, finding the right niche for you and making your way to the top of the niche in is just the few set of way. One, choose a niche where you already have a comfort level or knowledge. Use your education, life experience, or general knowledge to help you determine the direction for your online enterprise. Keep in mind that you don't have to have the educational pedigree to make a success in any niche. To have a heart for niche. If if you love what you are doing, then it will show in your work. If it is painful to you, then it will be painful to those around you. Stick to something that get your figure going. To build the best website, use easy to load graphic and design to make your site compatible compatible different browser and different connection speed. There are customers out there still stuck on deal off. For understanding the marketplace, if there is an active market, then create a place for you in it. If the market is not there yet, then it just may require more work, but you can find a way to develop the market that you need. 5. Meet the competition. It is always a good idea to visit the people and place that you competitive in the niche that you want to pursue. Become a regular visitor and even a contributor. And knowing the competition could give you the big boost as you develop your dominating of the niche. 6. All the tricks and gadgets in the world don't help you unless you create a friendly and inviting atmosphere your visitors. Create a website that you people want to visit needs some graphic but keep it simple and easy to load on any browser. Focus heavily on quality informative content and be consistent in posting information on timely and regular basis. 7. Bring on the leaders. Without customer or subscriber, you will never be able to climb to the top of your niche. Learning the top for drawing visitors will help you dominate in what every niche you chooses. 8. Become an expert in your niche. Offer to guest write for other site, nor necessarily in your niche, but related directly to that niche. Submit article to the fair free article site like is in articles. Inc- Include your link and information in the author's box. Visit other site and offer helpful and relevant information. 9. Make your site more than other site. Offer service like a workbook or online consultation. Substance with a quality post and interaction using forums or chat rooms. The more that you offer within your niche, the larger variety of people and therefore the higher number of visitors you will appeal to and hopefully compel to stick around. 10. Understanding how to write. Use and realize ebook can help you increase your numbers, both subscriber and visitors, and also increase your income with sales of the ebook. 11. Link or your gateway to increase your dominance in a niche market. There are a number of ways to develop links and their best method is to go after them all in one form or another. Anyone can find their way to into internet marketing success depending on skill level. When it came to computer knowledge of a niche and even existing connection with the internet industry, it will take some people little longer than it will other. Success is not per determine hard work and sometime that use of tips and shortcut along with determination can take you long way toward realizing your dreams. It is possible to establish yourself in niche industry on the internet and then dominate that niche and developing living through that niche. Follow the idea, pattern and suggestion of the people like Kevin and Jones who have had success in the industry already. Make their idea your one idea, twisting and tweaking for your specific niche and for you. Whatever else you do, keep pushing toward your dream. If you have nothing more risk than failure, if you try, then you should be try. Keep trying and you will find success in your internet niche and in your life. To learn how to achieve a phenomenal level of online success visit